Now, a triad color scheme can be really, really dynamic. With a triad, you're kind of like making a peace sign on the color wheel. You're choosing 3 colors that are equal distant apart from each other. So, what 3 colors can we think of that are equal distant from each other? Well, our first guess would be the primary colors, red, yellow, and blue. Let's see if we can get pretty close to the primary colors. And we got pretty close there. So primary colors are very popular when creating kind of a triad type color scheme. But as you can see, as I move these colors in this color wheel around, you can see a wide range of different triad color schemes that are available to us. So let's get started. This is just a photo I found that I think is a really effective use of a triad. And what's cool is since the 3 colors are already there in the picture, you can just use hue saturation. You can just use hue saturation and see what this might look like in some different colors, different color versions of a triad. Now, when trying to take our grayscale design and make it a triad, we can do this really, really easily. First, I'm going to go to my adjustment layer icon and choose gradient map again. And then I'm going to choose the gradient preset that is blue, red, and yellow. Now I can put my hue saturation adjustment layer over this gradient map and move the slider around to see what different triads I can get using this method. So let's do the same thing with a photo. Let's use this one. I'm going to go down to my adjustment layer icon and select my gradient map. And then in the gradient editor, I'm going to choose the blue, red, and yellow gradient. Now I can throw a hue saturation adjustment layer over this, move the slider around, and get some different triads. Alright, so I hope you either go to color.adobe.com and play with the triads, or make some of your own using hue saturation and the gradient map.